Well, hello again, everyone. Professor Profit coming to you from Craps University. And in this video, we're going to show you the 6/8 press system. Now, we're going to start off with a $2,000 buy-in, and we'll put $100 on the felt to start with, be 50 on the 5 and 50 on the 9 place bets. And then we'll start pressing up on our 6s and 8s and see how we do in the end. Now, this is not a system for the faint of heart. There's a lot of variance here, so just know that going in. We're going to start at the $50 level on the 5 and the 9. This scales up and down pretty easily. So if you're at a $10 table, you can start with 10 on the 10 on the 5, 10 on the 9, and work it from there. So let's head on down to the felt. We'll explain it in a little more detail, and then we'll roll it out and see if this is one that's worth keeping or throwing it on the trash heap. So we'll see you down on the felt here shortly. All right, everybody, down here on the felt to roll out our 6/8 press system. Now, how this works, we got a $2,000 buy-in, 1,000 in the black and 1,000 in the green. We're going to start off with a $50 place bet on both the 5 and the 9, and this will be after a point is established. If we hit either one of those, say we hit the 9, that'll be a $70 win. So we'll take that 70, we'll rack 10 of it, and we'll put 60 on the 8. If we hit the 9 again, we'll press the 8 once again. If we hit the 5, we'll press the 6. So that's how that works. If we hit the 6 and the 8, either one of them, if we go ahead and hit the 8, we'll take that down, and we'll take our winnings and collect them. Same with the 6. If we lose on a particular shooter, we'll step up to the $100 level, and then 150 and 200, etc., until we get our money back. If we win, of course, we'll step back down and start over once again at the base level if we are in profit. All right, so we've got our bankroll, got the dice, got the puck, and we're ready to go. So let's get a come out roll here. And there's the sunflowers, the 10 hard. And so let's go with 50 on the 5, 50 on the 9. And we are working. Here we go. All right, there's the 5-4. That's the Colt 45. That's a $70 win. So there's 50 and 20 more. So we'll rack 10, and the 60 will go on the 8. And 7 out, just that quick. All right. So put the losses over here and get another come out roll. And another 10, this one easy 10. And we'll go up to 100 now on the 5 and the 9. And see if we can get those losses back. All right, there's all the dots we got. And there's 3-1, that's the 4 easy. And there's the Colt 45, center field 9. So that'll pay 140. So let's get that out of here. There's 100, 25, 35, and 40. So we'll take 20 of that and put it in. Well, let's do this. Let's change this into some nickels. There's that. Okay, so we'll do 120 of this on the 8 since we hit the 9. And that gets our loss down to actually $20. So let's go ahead and make that 20. We'll rack this up. Here we go. Oh, 7 out just that quick. Well, that stung. That's a pretty good hit there. All right, coming out again. Okay, there's the 3-2 no field 5. So we're up to 150 now on the 5 and the 9. Move the button to the 5, and we're working. Here we go. All right, there's the Colt 45, and at 150, that'll pay 175. there's 175. And let's see, let's go 150 of that on the 8. Nope, excuse me, 150 will pay 210. So 210, okay. And let's do 180 of that on the 8. Rack that. And see if we can hit something now. All right, there's the 5-1. That's 6 easy. Nothing there. And there's another center field 9. So that's another $210 win. So there's 110. Turn these into a green one. So 210. So that's 200 there, and 10. Okay, so we're going to take 180 of that, and we're going to stack it up here on the 8. So we need to hit an 8, and we'll be in good shape. Here we go. A 4-2, 6 easy. There's another Colt 45. That's another 210. And this is where it gets exciting. So there's 180. And we'll rack this up. All right, looking for an 8. There it is. All right, big hit. See what we got here. That's 200, 3, 4, $540. All right. So that'd be what, 630? Let's see. Let's do it this way because I'm not smart enough to do it another way. So here is 180. That's going to pay 210. And here's 180. That'll pay 210. And there's 180, and that'll pay 210. So 630 is correct. All right. All right, that's a nice hit there. That's the one we're looking for. Now, obviously, this is not a system for the faint of heart. It's got a lot of variance in it. So if you're going to play it, be sure you got your pacemaker working well and you're taking your blood pressure pills. But anyway, it's a lot of fun when you hit the big one. So let's rack all this up. And obviously, we'll take everything back down now to base level 50. And we're still working. Okay, here's the 4-1. That's the center field, the no field 5. So that's a $70 payout. And we'll rack 10 of that. And put the other 60 on the 6 since we hit the 5. Next roll. And there's the box cars. And there's Yo. And there's the 7 out. All right. So here are our losses over here. And we'll step it back up to 100 once we get a number established. And there's the 10 on the end. 10 easy. And we'll do 100 on the 5 and the 9. And we are working. Here we go. All right, there's the double deuces of the 4 hard. And there's the no field 5, so that'll pay 140. So there's 150 for 10. So we'll do 120 on the 6, since we hit the 5. There's that. Here we go. All right, there's the snake eyes. And there's the 7 out. Okay. So we'll rack that up over here for the lost column. And coming out. All right, there's the 6 hard. And where were we? We're at 100, so we're at 150 now. Here we go. We are working. All right, there's blackjack 21, craps 3. And there's the 6-3. That would be the center field 9. And that's a $150 bet, so that'll pay $210. There's 1, there's 2, there's 10, and we'll put 180 of that on the 8 and rack the 30. All right, here we go. 7 out, just that quick. All right, so we'll put the losses over here, and that'll put us up to 200 now. Come out rolls the center field 9. So 200 on the 5, 200 on the 9, and here we go. Here's the 3-1, that would be the 4 easy. And there's the 3-2-5, so that'll pay $280. So there's 275, 280. So let's do, let me get some nickels here. Let's do 240 on the 6. And we'll rack the rest of it. Here we go. Looking for a 6. Okay, there's 5-3. That's 8 easy. And there's the center field 9. So that'll pay $280. There's that. And we'll go 240 on the 8. All right, this is where it gets fun. Let's see if we can hit something now. I'm looking for 6 or an 8. There's another 9, so that's another 280. So there's the 80 part. There's the 200 part. So 240 on the 8. Now obviously you can go ahead and take some of this down at this point because we've really got, for a $2,000 buy-in, we've got way too much money out here. But you know, we're just having fun today, so we're going to keep it out there and see what happens. Here we go. Okay, there's a 3-2. That would be the no field 5. That's another 280. So 240. 240 more on the 6. Now let's see if we can hit something here. Let's just stack it on up. All right, here we go. There's the hard 8 square pair. That's what we're looking for. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 50. So 480. So 480. Let's see, 140, 280, 560. So $560, I think. Could be wrong. 60. And we're going to go ahead and call that a video and count this up. And as you can see, it's a high variance system. You can win a lot of money, or if you get on a cold streak, you can lose a lot of money pretty quickly. So let's see where we ended up. We started out with $2,000. And I'm going to color these red ones up, I think. Make a little room. All right, so there's 25, 50, 75, and 100. So that'll be a black chip. Okay, what do we got here? 1, 2, 300. So let's get 3 more black chips. And I think that is all we got. So there's our $2,000 buy-in right there. So all this is going to be profit. So profit was $1,135 on a $2,000 buy-in. So better than 50%. Gotta love that. So hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, you got to have nerves of steel to play that system. But if you're feeling lucky and you got a little extra coin, might be one you want to look at. So that's the 6/8 press, and we had a couple of big hits, of course, and that means big wins. But if those big hits don't come, well then those can turn into big losses. So not for the faint of heart. So if you enjoyed that, we ask you to smash that like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, we ask that you do that. We'd love having you around here, and would love to have you as part of the Craps University student body. We'll be back again next Sunday with another video, and hope you'll join us for that one. But until then, if you're out there rolling those bones this week, we wish you nothing but the best of luck, and may all your rolls be winners. This is Professor Profit coming to you from Craps University, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.